is the GARVEE round patio umbrella base. It is about 26.5 pounds, and it's made to fit poles that are 1.5 to 2.1 inches in diameter. So I'm gonna put it together real quick and show you what it was like to assemble. Really just these pieces, and you've got a bolt already screwed in here. Gotta just take it out of the pipe first. But I wanted to show you this. The instructions are just pictures. They don't tell you really step by step. So be sure and look at the installation procedure that's in the listing. If you just swipe through the pictures, you'll find this. Flip the base over. Oh, yeah, it's heavy. Like I said, 26.5 pounds. The bolt here, put it in through the back. So you've got it sticking out. Then you put the ring on, and I'm gonna put this down a little bit. That's gonna move, but once we get it a little closer screwed on, I'll align it. There we go. That's as tight as I can go with my hand. Obviously, you could grab a wrench and tighten that a little bit more, but it's good for now, for demonstration. Then you're just going to put this in here, and then insert your umbrella and tighten it up. Pretty simple. I think most people know how to put an umbrella together as far as that goes, but you just want to make sure that these are assembled correctly. I had read that a couple people said that the opening was too small. My umbrella is only 1.5 inches in diameter, and it would not fit inside here. Then I noticed this does come out. So it's like different sizes, and then that leaves plenty of room, but then you also can separate these. Let me do that. Okay, so you've got that was together, and then this one comes out of here. So the smallest one says 1.5 inches, but I couldn't get my pole in there. This one is about 1 and, sorry, I'm holding it wonky, but it's 3/4. And then the full opening would be 2 inches, and that looks like a true 2 inches on the inside lip of that opening. So I'm gonna go with this one and try putting that in. That works fine. Okay, that works without taking the smallest one off and putting this in. It's just fine. I've got a little bit of room, so I'm going to just tighten it, and that works just fine. Well, that's good, because I was worried when I first did it, and I hope that is helpful. Wanted to let you all know. Like I said, this smallest one, it measures 1.5, but so is my pole. I think it's like exactly, instead of giving a little bit of wiggle room. But just take that one off, and you've got plenty of room. I've got it nice and tight now. It's not wiggling, and let me show you what it looks like. Okay, all done. Here we go. The base is all set up. It's really nice looking. Like I said, it's heavy, so it should withstand a little wind. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with it now that I know about this fitting. That's a downside. They need to include that in the instructions, but hopefully that's helpful and you won't have to return it thinking that it doesn't fit.